Hey everyone, welcome back to our Tech Tips channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and simple guide on how to remove the recycle bin icon from your desktop in 2025. Whether you're aiming for a minimalist look, more screen space, or just want to customize your Windows setup, this tweak can make a big difference. It's especially relevant for the latest Windows updates, so let's get started. First off, why would you want to do this? The recycle bin is that handy trash can icon, but if it's cluttering your workspace, it's easy to hide it away. This process works on Windows 11 and later versions, so make sure you're on a compatible system. Alright, let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Right-click on an empty area of your desktop. You'll see a context menu pop up with various options. Step 2. From that menu, select Personalize. This will open up the Settings app, taking you straight to the personalization settings. Step 3. In the Settings window, look for the Themes section on the right-hand side and click on it. Then, scroll down and select Desktop Icon Settings. Step 4. In the Desktop Icon Settings dialog box, you'll see a list of icons like Computer, Network, and Recycle Bin. Simply uncheck the box next to Recycle Bin. Step 5. Hit Apply, and then OK to save your changes. Voila! The Recycle Bin icon should disappear from your desktop instantly. One quick tip. If you ever need to bring it back, just follow the same steps and check the box again. Remember, removing the icon doesn't delete your files, it just hides the shortcut. Always double-check before making changes to avoid any accidental mishaps. There you have it, folks, a cleaner, more organized desktop in under a minute. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech hacks, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tech savvy.